Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to define what is frequency modulation. So we already know what is modulation. In case of modulation, we try to transmit a message signal with the help of a carrier signal. In the process, some parameter of the carrier wave changes. That parameter could either be the amplitude of the carrier, as in case of amplitude modulation, or it could be the frequency, as in case of frequency modulation, or it could be phase, as in case of phase modulation. So, in amplitude modulation, the carrier's amplitude will vary with respect to the amplitude of the message signal. In case of frequency modulation, the frequency of the carrier will vary with respect to the amplitude of the message signal. And in case of phase, the phase of the carrier will vary. So, let us consider the following example. Here, we can see that there are two signals. One is the low frequency message signal, and the other one is the high frequency carrier signal. So, when this carrier undergoes modulation due to this message signal, we can find that the frequency of the carrier does not remain the same. There is a variation in the frequency. So, what exactly happens? In case of frequency modulation, the dotted lines, the red dotted lines represents the message signal, this one, and the other one represents the carrier signal. You can see that as the amplitude of your carrier, or sorry, the message signal reduces, as it reduces, you can see that in this case, as the message signal's amplitude reduces, the frequency of the carrier is very, very less here. And when the message signal's amplitude increases, we can find that the frequency of the carrier is very, very high, as in this case. Hence, the frequency of the carrier is modulated, and the modulated waveform is called as the FM waveform. Thank you.